Okay, now I gotta put the time sight on, but before I can put the gears in, I'm going to put some oil into the pivot holes because you're not going to be able to see the pivot holes once you put that top plate on. So you got your pallet fork that goes on. You got your long gear that goes down this hole. Line it up just properly. The pin will fit into the pivot on the other side. You got your escape wheel. And then you got your top gear here that I think I'm going to put on first before I put my escape wheel on. And then your escape wheel. And then your top plate. And your top plate, you could start a couple screws, start the screws, and then you're going to work it just like you did putting the main movement together. You're going to put down your high pivots first. My pallet fork came out, so let's see if I can put him back in. Yeah, my tweezers are magnetized, and that's why I'm having such a hard problem here. These are the tweezers that I mainly use, and my demagnetizer quit working on me. So let me try a different pair of tweezers. I'm probably going to have to do this off camera because I have to get in close and I can't get in close with the camera on. So we'll get it together off camera and get back to you.